How to replace a 2018 Ford Raptor 5-button smart key remote battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
All right, we're going to change our battery out on our Ford Raptor's 5-button smart remote. Simple to do. If your key ring's attached to it, leave it on. Go ahead, take your emergency blade out. You'll turn it. You'll notice that indentation there, and the indentation where emergency blade is. Take your emergency key, push down right in that spot. You'll notice it popped open a little. Twist it, and then you can just push it up. Battery pops up, cover pops off. Your battery, 2450. Take it, dump it. Take your new battery. When you put it in, you'll look down inside here. You see the little metal tabs? That's where you want it to go. So you'll put your new 2450 in, push it down. It will sit up a little. Take your back cover, put it on, snap it together, put your emergency blade in, and there you go. You got it done. Thanks again for watching.